I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have taken a bonus question based on exponential and radical functions IB test paper. The question here is to find the value of x times y if x to the power of 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 3 to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power of y plus 2 minus 2 to the power of x. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. In case you want to learn from me, send an email on the address given. Okay, so let's rewrite this question, which is 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus 3 to the power of y equals to 3 to the power of y plus 2 minus 2 to the power of x. So let's bring the exponents of x together. We get 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus 2 to the power of x equals to 3 to the power of y plus 2 minus 3 to the power of y. Now this really means it is 2 to the power of x times 2, right? Plus 2 to the power of x. And here we have 3 to the power of y times 3 square minus 3 to the power of y. So you can take 2 to the power of x common. So you're left with 2 plus 1 here. And here you can take 3 to the power of y common. You're left with 3 square minus 1. That is 9 minus 1, which is 8. So you have 2 to the power of x times 3. And here you have 3 to the power of y times 9 minus 1, which is 8. So that is what you get in this particular case. Now from here, how do we solve for x and y? The product x and y, that is what we need to figure out. So we have this expression which is 2 to the power of x times this. Now, to solve this, we could have y as equal to, both sides could be 1, that is one solution which we could have in this particular scenario. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2 to the power of x divided by 8 equals to 3 to the power of y divided by 3. Correct? So now once I write like this, 8 is 2 to the power of 3, right? And 3 is 3 to the power of 1. And therefore, I could write this expression as 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of 3. And here, we could write this as 3 to the power of y minus 1, right? And that gives you 2 to the power of x minus 3 equals to 3 to the power of y minus 1. Make sense? So we are in a position to write both sides with different bases. Now the only way this equation is equal is when their exponents are 0, right? So to make it true, there is definitely one solution where if x minus 3 equals to 0, right, and y minus 1 is also equal to 0. Because then we know anything to the power of 0 is 1, so we get 1 equals to 1. You get the idea. So looking into this, we have one solution saying x equals to 3 and y equals to 1. Makes sense? Perfect, because that will make 2 to the power of 0 equals to 3 to the power of 0. Both equal to 1. Makes sense? So this is the key in solving the problem in hand. Now we need to find the product xy. So product x times y will be 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. So that is how the question will be solved. So I hope these steps are absolutely clear. A brilliant question. and a very intricate solution. I hope you understood the concepts. Feel free to write your suggestions. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Thanks for your time and all the best.